Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are continuing with our series, The Journey of the Soul, Death and Beyond. Next stage is Hisab, the reckoning, accountability for every action. The believer stands before Allah with humility, but their reckoning is light. They will be shown their good deeds. Allah will forgive their mistakes. Their book of good deeds will be given to them in their right hand as Allah promises. Then as for he who is given his record in his right hand, he will be judged with an easy account. The disbeliever, however, will face a severe reckoning. Every action they ever performed will be weighed, and they will have no excuse. Their deeds will be presented to them, and their guilt will be undeniable. They will be held accountable for every moment they spent in disbelief. The next stage is the bridge of Sirat, the final test. After the reckoning, all souls must cross the Sirat, the bridge that spans over hell. For the believer, this bridge is a narrow path, thinner than a hair, but their light will guide them swiftly across. But for the disbeliever, the Sirat is treacherous. It is a bridge over a pit of fire, and they will fall into it, consumed by the flames of hell as their deeds fail them. There is no escaping the consequences of their choices. The Prophet ﷺ said, "It is a slippery bridge on which there are clamps and hooks like a thorny seed that is wide at one side and narrow at the other, and has thorns with bent ends. Some of the believers will cross the bridge as quickly as the wink of an eye, some others as quick as lightning, a strong wind, fast horses, or she-camels. So some will be safe without any harm. Some will be safe after receiving some scratches, and some will fall down into hellfire. The last person will cross by being dragged over the bridge." The next phase is Jannah, that is paradise, the eternal reward. For the believer, the journey ends in Jannah, the eternal garden of bliss, where there is no sorrow, no pain, only peace and joy. Allah promises, "Indeed, the righteous will be in a secure place within gardens and springs, wearing garments of fine silk and brocade, facing each other. Thus, and we will marry them to fair women with large, beautiful eyes. They will call therein for every kind of fruit, safe and secure. They will not taste death therein, except the first death, and He will have protected them from the punishment of hellfire, as bounty from your Lord. That is what is the great attainment. They will be in the presence of Allah, surrounded by blessings beyond imagination, in a state of eternal happiness. Inshallah, we also plan to cover this in detail, how Jannah will be. But for the disbeliever, the journey ends in Jahannam, the eternal fire, a place where the pain and punishment never cease. Allah warns in the Quran, "And for those who disbelieve will be the fire of hell. Death is not decreed for them, so they may die, nor will its torment be lightened for them. Thus do we recompense every ungrateful one."